So we just arrived at Fred Meyer's, and we can actually see Chuck right there with his 944. Oh yeah, you can hear that LS swap rumble. I'm actually gonna park behind him. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that charge for now. How's it going?
Horses.
Guys, this is just so crazy to look at, like in person. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's got 376 pounds of torque. Weighs 3,100 pounds. So I'm waiting on the coilovers there for $4,000. But so I'm waiting on those, and I got.
Oh, and it opens automatically?
Yeah.
That is insane.
I just got through fixing this actually. So the guy that had this before me, you know, when I bought it, he cut these out and put speakers in there.
Oh, I see.
And so I don't like that. It's really super sketchy. So he's already ruined the carpet. So that was like 20 years ago. So I'm gonna put some smaller speakers. I'm gonna make boxes for him.
Oh, right.
And then I'm gonna repair this and do something with it. Yet I'm still working on what to do.
And that's it looks like they're hooked up right now, so they're working.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sweet, nice. And then this is like the spare.
Yeah, the spare tires under here.
Oh, that's good.
There's none here now.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
supposed to be a spare tire under there, and the jack and everything else is right here. And the toolbox goes under there too. So we got a special toolbox. Those are like $85 for those, if you buy them. And
Like the little pieces that you're talking about, or
the
just
little
the
cap that goes
oh, just
right
the
here.
cap, just the caps.
Just the caps are $85.
My
And
gosh.
So if you get one aftermarket where a guy makes them on a machine, you know, they're $15.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's much better.
And the little inserts were like 69 cents a piece.
Yeah.
And so I had to make them, you know, work, but they were great. So I'm happy with how it turned out.
Chuck and I are heading out. Starting to fog up again in here. I gotta turn on the AC because my defroster flap is, I gotta replace that, but basically it's right underneath my dash and I gotta take it apart. So unfortunately we were supposed to have 2 other guys come with us, but you know, life happens, so that's all good. But hopefully next drive, we should be able to plan this, you know what I'm saying? All right, everyone, so I apologize about the quality of the video. I know it went down, so we are filming on my second phone, so I apologize about that. But look at this view right here. This is just insane. Like, I'm not here that often. I'm barely ever at Bellingham, you know, but the mountains, this is about the drive. This is just insane. I mean, there's a lake here right next to me, you know. This is like an everyday thing for people, but wow, just wow. Oh, look at that house. These houses are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all see that? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this road. Oh, holy crap. So that's our nav. That's what our nav looks like right now. This is so beautiful. Oh, these houses. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Chuck, you crazy in that 944, bro. I have that phone mount right there, but I don't have it mounted. Oh, wish I could mount it right now. That'd be so nice. See, this is like, oh, there's a green dinosaur there. You know, that, guys, it reminds me, there's a video of this guy where he goes around stealing dinosaurs, I believe, as I saw. That's one of the videos that I saw. He stole like this green dinosaur. It got pretty viral, but oh, we're pushing it. You know, this is like that scene in Cars with Lightning McQueen and you know what I'm saying? But oh boy, you can hear that LS3. Guys, I'm foot to the floor. I'm foot to the floor. I gotta brake a bit earlier here. So we just hit gravel. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That was terrible. Back in the road. Yeah.
that's so beautiful.
And people actually go down there and like
Yeah, you can walk,
swim and
go down there, and you can walk down and camp down there. Actually,
jeez, Louise.
you can camp anywhere around here if you want.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think there's much fish in here right now, but sometimes there is.
Yeah, I could see fly fishing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Wow. Just look at the view at the mountains, guys. Oh my gosh. Are those roads up there or am I tripping? They look like roads.
Those are logging roads.
Oh, so they're not asphalt?
No, they're all logging roads.
Oh, dang. I was about to say. That was asphalt. That'd be a nice road to go up on. What temp are we at? 217? I'm turning it off. Guys, how insane is this? What? Gosh, we're on a bridge. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, thank you. This is such an amazing road, such an amazing day so far. Oh my gosh. For those of you who are watching that did not know Washington State had these roads, well, now you know. I've proven it. Here we are, you know what I'm saying? So, like, if you're living in the city, it's not that far. It's only an hour away. Like, just do it. Just go out, do the drive, have fun with it. There you go. You know what I'm saying? I just want to say huge shout out to Chuck for inviting me out here and showing me the valley. You dig? They got the whole crane operator over there. Hopefully y'all saw it, but yeah. Oh, Corvette. Oh my gosh.